Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for March 29th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair first. This pair moved to the upside, actually closed at the high. We are looking for this pair to potentially move up and hit resistance around 82.75, possibly moving down, hitting support around 80.75. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed higher. Overall moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 142.20, possibly as low as 139.74. Look for some resistance around 141.50 and look for some support around 140.15. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved to the upside, closed up. We are looking for it, didn't quite break the low here. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 161.10, possibly as low as 158.68. Look for some resistance around 160.42 and look for some support around 159.25. Now let's take a look at the US Swiss. This pair moved up during today's session, is moving sideways to some degree, at least over the past two sessions. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.9297, possibly as low as 0.9083. Look for some resistance around 0.9233 and look for some support around 0.9123. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, correlated pairs are pairs that either move together or move in a mirror opposite each other. The US Swiss, which you see here, and the Euro USD are mirror opposites. So we have two trades here, one to the upside and one to the downside. So if this particular pair moves down, the euro will move down. And you have a couple of ways to play that. Let me show you. They both created swing trade opportunities over the past two sessions. If we get a breakout to the upside, we can look to grab about a quick little scalp, about 20 pips. 24 pips or so there. And on the US Swiss, if this essentially the same move but in opposite directions moves to the downside, we have a potential to grab roughly about 33 pips. So similar move, just in opposite directions. Trading correlated pairs in this instance, ideally you would be trading to the downside on both or to the upside on both, which would offset it. Basically, regardless of which way the pair moved, you would be in the trade in either the Euro USD or the US Swiss. But in this case, they'll be moving together, so either both will be triggered or none will be triggered is what's typical. We are fairly close to this on both of them, so they both could be triggered. This one, we're really close to the entry. So just a quick lesson in correlated pairs and the trades that go with them. Obviously, use a risk reward of 1-to-1 on this, which is a 30 pip stop loss and a 30 pip take profit would be an example of 1-to-1. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.